Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, it's Jessica here, and I am about to take you on a walking tour along Valencia's Malvarros Beach. The turquoise waters and white sand of this beautiful beach will make you feel like you are in paradise. If you're planning to travel to Valencia, make sure you include Malvarros Beach in your list of places to visit. So don't forget to press the like button if this video inspired you to take a trip there, and definitely leave a comment with your favorite part of the video. As we start our adventure, we can feel the warm breeze of the Mediterranean Sea blowing through our hair. As we take a leisurely stroll along the sand, we can't help but be mesmerized by the majestic beauty around us. Everywhere we look, we're surrounded by rolling waves and crystalline waters as far as the eye can see. We continue our path along the beach and make our way down the promenade, with its picturesque palm trees along the way. It's here that we come across some of the city's most famous landmarks like El Cabaño, the Valencian Fishermen's District. This colorful neighborhood is full of charmingly narrow streets, small shops, and traditional Valencian homes. We make our next stop at the Almudena, one of the oldest historical landmarks in Valencia. This is a former Muslim fortress that dates all the way back to the 10th century and is home to spectacular sculptures and artifacts. The architecture here is a must-see. And as we make our way back to the beach, we can't help but stop and admire the stunning sunset. The golden sky is the perfect backdrop for the glistening waters and makes for the perfect end to our tour. So if you like this video and if you want to see more of what I have to offer, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week on travel, lifestyle, and culture. Until next time, take care and happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.